Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. How are you students? Stay home, stay safe. Today our topic is equivalent ratios. Page number 108, and this topic is for grade 5. Let's start our topic. Equivalent ratios. Let we have an example that if we have 3 flowers of tulips and 6 roses, and we prepare a bouquet by using 3 flowers each in a bouquet. So by using tulips we can make 1 bouquet, and by using roses we can make 2 bouquets, 3 in one and the other 3 in the second bouquet. So by using roses we make 2 bouquets. As you already studied that ratio is comparison of 2 quantities. When we compare 2 quantities, we write them in the form of ratio. Ratio is similar as fractions. Now we have to express the number of tulips to the number of roses in ratio form. So number of tulips ratio number of roses can be written in ratio form as tulips are 3 and roses are 6. So in ratio form they will be expressed as 3:6. Now let's express the number of bouquets in ratio form. By using tulips we made 1 bouquet, and by using 6 roses we made 2 bouquets. So the ratio of number of bouquets of tulips to the number of bouquets of roses will be number of bouquets of tulips 1 ratio number of bouquets of roses 2. So this ratio is 1:2. Now we have 2 ratios 3:6 and 1:2. You can see that if we write the simplest form of 3:6, that is we divide it by a common factor which is 3, so we get 3/3 is 1 ratio 3 2 times is 6. So we get 1:2, which is same as the number of bouquets of tulips to the number of bouquets of roses. So 3/6. So 3:6 is equivalent to 1:2. These are the equivalent ratios. It means that when we divide or multiply a ratio in a simplest form, we get another ratio or we get the equivalent ratio. In the above example, if we have 3:6 and when we divide it by 3, we get 1:2 when it is divided by 3. Now, if you can see that 1:2 when multiplied by 3, we get 3:6. It means these are the equivalent ratios. Again, equivalent ratios can be obtained by dividing or multiplying the simplest ratio. So it is similar to the equivalent fractions. We get equivalent ratios when we multiply the given ratio or when we divide the given ratio. This is all for today. Students, you have to practice page number 108 to understand the concept of equivalent ratios. Thank you so much. Take care. Allah Hafiz.